Everyone thinks New Orleans is loud, music on every corner, crowds that never stop. But what if I told you, just a few steps away, there's a version of the city that almost no one talks about? No noise, no chaos, just quiet streets and a completely different feeling. Let's go find it. This is Tripinn, where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. So if you enjoy discovering the real side of cities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, and let's explore together. Walking along Royal Street feels like stepping into a quieter, more refined side of New Orleans. The street carries a calm elegance, lined with historic buildings, art galleries, and subtle architectural details that invite you to slow down and notice everything. As you move forward, the sound of your footsteps blends with the soft hum of the city. Never overwhelming, just present.
And I'm gonna walk.
Sunlight filters between the buildings in the evening, casting long shadows across the pavement, while balconies above add a timeless charm. It's not about rushing here, it's about taking it all in, one peaceful step at a time. as the day begins to fade, New Orleans starts to change. The light turns warmer, softer, and everything feels just a little slower. Shadows stretch across the streets, and the noise of the city begins to drift away. Not every street here is loud. Some feel like they're holding on to stories. You turn a corner, and suddenly everything slows down. The air feels different, almost still. Old balconies glow under the evening light, covered in plants that quietly take over the space. Footsteps echo a little more now, as the crowd fades into the distance. There's a calm that settles in, as if the city is taking a breath. You might pass someone sitting on a porch, watching the sky change colors. Slowly. No rush. No noise. Just time. Move in gently.
All right.
Even the breeze feels softer now, carrying distant sounds that never quite reach you. And without realizing it, you start slowing down too. That's the thing about New Orleans. It doesn't always pull you in with energy. Sometimes it pulls you in with calm.
Yeah, last count over 60 bars, 29 blocks. Never been a plan. Started out as a bunch of high-end cocktail lounges, so we really tried for illicit gambling operations.
At night, these streets feel different. Not empty, but peaceful. The glow of warm light spills onto the pavement, creating a rhythm of light and shadow as you walk. Windows light up softly, like small stories happening behind the scenes. Footsteps sound louder now, every step more noticeable in the silence. There's something about walking here at night. It feels personal. Like the city isn't performing anymore. It's just being itself. You don't need a destination here. The walk itself becomes enough. Every street feels like a pause. Every turn, a small discovery. There's no crowd telling you where to look. So you start noticing everything. The textures on the walls, the creak of an old gate, the way the breeze moves through narrow lanes. So next time you think of New Orleans, remember it's not just the noise. There's a quiet side waiting. In the evening light, and even more, in the stillness of the night. And if you enjoy discovering places like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. because the world has more hidden sides. And we're just getting started.